The question is today, which we are all asking, as we celebrate the life of Baba, is how do we apply the power to proclaim that God has given us for the good of the nation, for the good of all of us, for the good of humanity. Baba is one such politician that never used the power of money to intimidate people or to lure followers. Today we have very bad manners amongst most of our politicians. They have taught our people the culture of handouts, that wherever you are, you must give part with money. And woe unto those who drive big vehicles, they are in trouble. Whenever you are seen, you are only seen in terms of money. What can you be able to give? Baba Raila Amolo Odinga never used the power of his wallet as a convincing tool to others, but he used the power of persuasion. He used the power of persuasion. He used the power of the word. Let's allow ourselves to be used of God, so that the power he has given us may be the power that is correcting, the power that is reconciling, the power that's rebuking what is evil and what is not evil.